guys, so today, see that bird's nest? This bird's nest is going in that creek over there. All right, so first we have to pick it up. Screw this. All right, perfect. All right, take the suspect back to the creek. All right, first we gotta look both ways. Stop and wait. Look both ways. This is like the first time. This is like the first time that I've in 2026 that I've recorded with cameraman behind the camera. The first time in 2026. Surprised me, ain't it? Alright. Oh my gosh. Get down there. I said get. Bruh. Hey, don't laugh at me. Get down, get down. Bro, get. It's stuck. Bro. Bro, I'm gonna break this rake. I don't want to break cameraman's rake. Alright, instead I broke the stick. Alright. Wait, I'm gonna turn the rake around. And then I'm gonna poke it. Pokey. Poke, yeah! Kids, now stay down. How did it happen? Shut up!
Ah, you hit me in the head.
Good.
Shut up.
Bro! Alright. Now let's bring the rake. Now let's go back.
Da, da, da.